1,000 policies might be date of discovery. We're not talking about that one. We're talking about the other 999 that's based on the
Mhm.
date of loss. So with that said, Chris, what do we have for the folks watching?
Yeah, so we're going to show you some different examples of how this verbiage looks like and how you can kind of help find this verbiage because
Right.
a lot of it's kind of the same, but a lot of it's different. So we're going
Right.
to
There's
show
just
you this
nuances that are just slightly different
exactly.
on each one, but they all pretty much say the same thing. So go ahead and pull it up, Chris. Let's take
Yep,
a look.
yep,
And so
absolutely.
we took a snip image from 5 different policies, commercial
Hmm.
policies, and we're just going to go over it. Now, I can tell you from dealing with the back end of a claim where it has gone legal, prompt notice is not 18 months. Prompt
Uh-huh.
notice has been, I think, determined by most case law. We're not attorneys, but I can read, which is weird. I know you don't think I can, but ultimately it's like 9 months ish, which falls into most of the
That's
claim,
crazy.
most of the
Yeah,
policies
that's
that say you can
yeah.
make a claim within a year. This one also says recoverable depreciation. We will not pay on a replacement cost basis until you actually repair or replace the lost or damaged property. The repair or replacement of damaged property must be made as soon as reasonably possible. What does that
Yep.
mean? But in no event later than 2 years after the date that you sustained the covered loss or damage. Do you know what that date that you sustained the covered loss or damage is called? The date of
Date
loss.
of loss.
It's
It would
not
be
the
a
date
lot
of
easier for them just to
discovery.
put that in here, but no.
Right.
They gotta
It's not the date of discovery, it's the date of loss. Notice that is not 2 years from the date of the claim being filed. It is not
Mhm.
any of those. It is from the date of loss, unless otherwise specifically stated in writing. And if there's any confusion, you can do what's called a coverage analysis if you're a public insurance adjuster or an attorney. If you are a contractor, we would tell you to avoid this because this can be misconstrued as unauthorized practice of public adjusting. You do not want to get into that. Trust me, we don't want to have a conversation related to that. Final word, Chris.
No, to your point, and this is what we do. This is why we're professionals. Anytime we receive a policy, we do our own internal policy review, but we're also going to do a coverage analysis call just to confirm that we've got all these dates. And, it can be reasonable. And sometimes they say, yeah, 2 or 3 years. That sounds reasonable. 4 years even. And I'm like, we'll put that in writing.
So thank you so much. I know that was a lot of stuff. It's a little confusing, but we just will wrap up with this. Date of
Mhm.
loss, not date of discovery, not date that you filed the claim. So contact us for clarification regarding this video and the crazy policies that you're going to run into.
Mhm.
BellatorClaims.com. Please like, comment, and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.